Diamond in the rough, do they see me shining? Tryna do better, gotta move in silence. Took a couple L's and I took some losses. They look the other way, but I could hear them talking. I ain't got no options. I ain't got no options. I ain't got no options.
Yajon and welcome to Net Compound, everyone. My name is Saul Yang. Just before we start, please read this discussion right here or up there and understand it really well, because I am not a financial advisor, so I just want you to understand that this is a very risky and very volatile business. With that said, let's look into the market and see what we got this morning. Alrighty, this morning we got two stock that's gapped down. We got QCOM. It gapped down 6%, almost 7%. Probably downgrade and earnings miss probably. And then we got Clover Health. Supposedly short sellers are attacking this company, down 12%. And for the high, the pre-market high, we got nothing. So today might be a Ray day. Let's look at the overall market real quick. Let's see. Let's look at SPY. And SPY is still consolidating between 383 and 380. So let's see if this breaks to the upside or to the downside. It looks more bearish to me than bullish, but we'll see what happened. NIO, this morning I got out at 58.60 with a $600 or 580. So now it's coming back down. So let's see here. All right, let me put NIO on my watch list. Clover Health and QCOM. How's VXRT doing? So yesterday VXRT gapped down 50%, and we took a trade on it and made a pretty decent money on this. Let's see if today we get another opportunity. Let's see if they can break below 925. And GameStop and AMC, same concept, right? So today's a day where we want to see if it can break below 87, 85. If it can break below the support level, we will see a flush down back to $40 area. And that will give us another opportunity to dip buy this stock. If this breaks above 120, we might see a retest of 150 or possibly even 175. Alright, with that said, let's see what we can do here on NIO and Clover. Let me check my margin. On Clover. Okay, so Clover requires 100% margin, so I can't trade that. Let's look at Qualcomm. Alright, so I could trade Qualcomm, 30%. Alright. So let's switch to Qualcomm. Was it at 151? Okay, so it's right on the major support level. Alrighty guys, the market's gonna open here in 5 minutes. Nothing seems to be really moving. $59. I mean, the only thing that looks good is NIO, so I might just jump back in here until I find a better setup elsewhere. We got about 3 minutes left until the market opens. So far, all right, GME's coming down. AMC's down 3% so far. DraftKings up 4%. $62. DraftKings actually at all-time high, so if it breaks 64, we might get a pretty good move to the upside. Good morning, Trevor. VXLT. I don't know yet. I'm waiting for it to show me. So right now it gapped up a couple of points, but then looks like it's wanting to consolidate today for a couple of hours. So if it doesn't break above, 10.50, or it doesn't go below $9 today, it's just gonna consolidate today. So I'm waiting for this to prove to me that it can break up above that level and try to retest 15, or if we can break down below $9 and come back down toward the $7 area. So I don't know if we're gonna get a play on VXL2 on that, but I'll keep an eye on it. Let's see. Alright, so the market's open, and let's see what's going on. Clover Health continues to go down 13%. DraftKings pulls down. Okay, let's look at DraftKings. DKNG. NIO's pulled down. Alright, I'm going to buy 100 shares here. 25 shares of DraftKings here. I'll add another 125 shares. If it comes back down toward the $60 area. Right, NIO is trying to break out here. GameStop is down 4%. AMC down 4%. VXRT up 5%. So it broke through $10 area. So VXRT, let's see, it's only been a minute. Let's see if it can hold that first candle. Transaction. I just bought 125 more shares here. All right, looks like VXLT couldn't hold that 1050 area. It's coming back down. Let's see if it can break below 990. AMC and GME is both down 4%. Let's see if they continue down lower.
Oh, these are not baby wipes.
All right, eBay's up 10% this morning. eBay got a price upgrade.
Yeah, I need to teach Dad how to press that rice cooker.
The XLT is holding that $10 area. Almost 5 minutes already. We need to hold it for another 15 minutes if we want to continue to the upside on VXRT. And GameStop flushes down 7%. AMC flushes down 7%. Right, so VXLT right here. It seems to be holding this level pretty well. Let's give it a couple minutes, see if it breaks down or if it can hold this level. If it can hold the $10 area, most likely it will try to continue back toward 11 for the day. Let's go to GME. GME is down 9%, so it broke down below. This momentum might carry over to all the other stocks, so be careful. All right, GME's down 11%, 12%. I would like for GME to get down to at least 40 or 50% today. That would give me an opportunity to dip buy. Okay, let's go back to DraftKings. All right, we got about 1 million shares traded so far. It's only been 6 minutes into the market. GameStop and AMC is still continuing down lower. VXRT is at 10.25. It's holding pretty well. Apps is up 12%. It's coming down. AMC down 9%. GME is more attractive to me. It has more opportunity if it can get down to around the $40 area. What's everyone trading today? VXRT, it's 5%. It's holding pretty well. Got 11 minutes left. I'd say if this candle hold here, this next candle, next 20-minute candle will most likely try to retest the $11 area. I'll be surprised if we can break this major resistance right here, the $11.50 to $12. I think this is really hard to break. All right, NIO is coming back up. So NIO did a flush down, take out all this stop loss, and now it came back up. If we can hold above 59 on this candle, we're gonna get a little short squeeze to the upside and a little breakout play. I want to say target is $60 today. So let's see if it can get there. All right, DraftKings come back down. It's giving me another opportunity to add here. We still got 10 more minutes. So once this candle end, I expect another 20-minute candle back to the downside, back toward $60. And I'll add more shares there. This, I think this will pull back to downside 60, 40, or maybe even the low 60s. We'll see if it can get down that low. ATOS, I traded that a long time ago. It's up 45% today. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna have a really hard time to break 5. If it can break the $5, it can get squeezed up to at least 9 or 10. But then it's already up too high for me, so I probably won't touch this yet until it gives me an opportunity. The XRT is holding pretty well. We got only 8 minutes left. Let's see if it can hold this green candle. If it hold this green candle, it might give us an opportunity to buy it and ride it back up to $11, maybe $12. big selling volume coming in here. We got a big selling order coming in. Let's see if it can survive this next 8 minutes. Can you guys hear me good? Let me know if my mic needs adjustment. All right, we got some pretty good size order coming in to buy this VXRT. So we might get a good push to the upside here pretty soon. The level 2 is looking good. Good job, Trevor. Yeah, that's really a good deal you got there. Yeah, just remember that when you're trading low float, it's very volatile. So you want to have a profit target and a stop loss. Good morning, Michael. SKLZ. Let's check that out. Up 13%, pulling back down. What's the news? Oh, it's in the same game industry as DraftKings, right? So these DraftKings, Skills, and all these gambling company, they are one of the hot sector right now too. So you can play this either way. You can day trade this, play this through long term, or either whatever works for you. I'll add into this position every time it touches this 20 EMA, right? So if this pulls back down to around 28, I'll add some more, and I'll just keep holding this for the long term. If I'll play this for the long term, or if you are gonna intraday this, I will not touch this until it comes back down to 32 or $32, or maybe 33. And then once it proves that it has a strong support here at $32 area, then you can buy in and sell this back up toward the $37. So maybe $5 per shares. Usually when a stock gaps up like this, they'll most likely sell down, take profit, because of all these people who bought down here. They'll try to take profit, and once they switch out hands, new buyer will come in and buy this back up. So I wouldn't touch this until it comes back down to the support area down here. But then if you look at the level 2, you see a lot of buying order coming in here to buy this at 34, 35. So that tells me people are impatient. They might not let it drop down that low. So we'll see what happens here. Right, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to take care of some business here. Alright, let's see where we're at. So, skills, bounce here on this $35 area. Let's see what was I in? DraftKings? Crap, I missed my entry points. Dang it. Let's see. Okay. Do I want to chase? No, I do not want to chase. Let's see if it get pushed back down here on this resistance at 62, and give me another chance to add in. %100% requirements. Okay. Alrighty. See. NIL's bouncing. DraftKings now bouncing. QCOM still going down 8%. VXRT hold that $10 area, but then now it's down below $9.95. So it seems like it's going to consolidate all day on VXRT. It looks like it's going to consolidate between 10 and 950. GameStop is still down 8%. Looks like it's trying to bounce here. Let's see if it actually bounced or it's just going to continue down lower. We still got a good 8 minute left. AMC still in the same boat. Alright, I need to add on some more shares here. If this can come back down to 60, the lower 61. We're at 61.45. Alright, it's coming back down. $61.40, come on. Got 7 minutes left for this candle to close. We're at 42. 40, 37, oh, what's going on? Did it not allow me to buy? Guess I don't have enough day trading power. $6,000 left. Well, that's crap. Alright, ReXRT is now red. It's at 980. GameStop still at 8%. AMC still down 6%. QCOM still going down. And IO, it's still holding the 58 area. And WH down 15%. Of 6 million shares offering. Alright, we got 30 seconds left. All right, added another 100 shares here. Let's see if we can get another push back to 62. $61.40 is my average. All right, 61.50. Let's see if we can push up back to 62. Stop loss for DraftKings is 61. 61.10, okay. I'm gonna trail this all day to see how much I can make. Guys, I'm in full position already. I can only use 15,000 today for some reason. I guess my funds haven't settled yet, so I'm in full position. I'm gonna put my stop loss here at 61. 61.05. Now move this up to this next level if this can break up above 62. What's the low? 60, 80? Let me change it to 60, 80. 60, 80. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see if this works out. VXRT is down. VXRT is down to 950 and it's trying to consolidate between 950 and 1020. QCOM is still down 9%. AMC and GME looks like it's want to continue down lower. It's building a bear flag, so let's see what it does there. Good morning, Ryan. CLOV. Well, let's see. Let's check it out. CLOV. Well, you already missed the entry points here, so it depends on why you want to buy it. It's already getting rejected here at a $13 area, so I think it's gonna get a hard time going higher than $13.35. If you're gonna buy this for a dip play or a swing trade, if you want to buy this for a swing trade, I'll wait another couple of days to see what it does. If you're gonna play this for an intraday play, then I'll probably still wait and see if it'll pull back down. Most likely it's gonna come up to 13.35, get rejected, come back down, retest support at 11 or 12, and if it hold there on the second pullback, then you can probably jump in for a small scalp back to 13 or 12.50. So maybe like 50 cents gain per share. So just depend on what's your goal and your target for CLOV. On the level 2, there's quite a bit order on the quite a lot of order on the sell side, so it's gonna have a hard time pushing up above 13.445. Yeah, it's here. The news says this yeah, supposedly there's a hedge fund that's short selling Clover, which might actually trigger some Reddit people to come in here and buy this up and squeeze some short sellers. But that's that's just rumors. I'll wait to see if that's true or not. If Clover hold above, if it can get back above 14 and hold above 14, then yes, we'll get a pretty good squeeze to the upside within the next week or so. But as of right now, it might close the gap here back to 14. It just depends, but it doesn't seem like it because there's a lot of sell order on the level 2 right now around the $13 area. So I'm thinking it might get rejected here pretty soon and come back down and retest 12. What's your opinion on the report? They don't have a position, they just put out the report. Yeah, that's how they do it. They put out reports to scare investors. I don't really care about news. It doesn't matter what kind of news there are, as long as it's not news from the SEC to change the policy. It doesn't bother me because I don't trade based on news. I trade based on technical levels. So like I said earlier, I wouldn't touch this until it comes to my standard and it comes to my play, which I'm a dip player, so I like to buy the dip. So if I was gonna buy a dip on this daily chart, I would have bought it this morning, right? As this dropped down, I would have slowly positioned myself in here, and now I'll be taking profit. I'll be one of these motherfucker right here that's blocking it to go higher than $13. I'll be selling it to people who's buying it here at 13, so it'll be coming back down. If I was late to the game, like right now, I'll probably wait for this to drop back down to $11 or $12 and then buy it and anticipate to come back to around the $12.50 or high $12.75 and start selling it up here. So either way, if you look at this, it has multiple level of resistance, making it really hard to get back to 14. All right, let's go back to DraftKings. What's going on here? Sweet, back to 62. We got 10 minutes left. Let's see what we get here. Up 700 so far. Alright, I'm gonna sell it here. Come on. Alright, so I sold all my shares here. 250 shares for a profit. I'm up 700 so far. That's about a nice 80 cents per share. I can share my setups. I just can't tell you when to buy or how to sell, right? So that's up to you. I cannot tell anybody when to buy or how to buy. I can only show you what I do. That's what I'm doing now, right? I'm showing you where I bought. I'm telling you guys, you know, this is what I'm buying, this is what I'm selling. But it's up to you to determine to get into the trade or not. So I cannot tell you when to buy or when to sell. Alright, so I'm out of DraftKings. Let's look at QCOM, see if I can give me an opportunity here. Still down 9%. GameStop's down 15%. Nice. Let's see if it can break below this point here. Below 75. I'd like GameStop to break below 75 to give us an opportunity. If it can break below 75, I want to see it get as low as $45 or $40. That should be about 50% drop. And I like to do those dip play. So GameStop's almost there to our target. Let's see what else we got. VXRT. I'll be right back. Hold on. Right, guys, I'm back. Sorry, my sausage was burning. I'm cooking some sausage. All right, GameStop down 15%, almost there. Let's see, Qualcomm. Let's take a look at Qualcomm real quick. Qualcomm. Hello guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please like and subscribe so you can get my content whenever I go live. And also we have a live Facebook group. I post everything in there, all my trade, my play, all my links, my free course, everything's in the Facebook group. It's the Nat Compounding group. So go join us there. We have a community of 300 people so far. It's growing really quick, so come join the party. All right. Qualcomm still coming down. Let's see, 142, about $3 per shares. What can I get here? Why does it show day trade buying power 0? $140. Okay, 140. Buy. Guys, I guess I don't have any settlement funds to trade today. I don't understand why. This is... Wow, look at that. Huge, some pressure coming in on DraftKings. Good thing I got out at 62. It's coming back down to 61 now. If this candle breaks below $61, we're gonna see a flush back down towards 60 and 59. Let's look at GameStop. Down 17% so far. It's got to continue down lower. Let's see what it does here around the $70 area. See if it will bounce or not. Why can't I place a trade? This is BS. This is right there, margin buying power, 76,000. Let's place it at $70. $40. Buy. The estimated cost exceed $400 day trade buying power plus available cash funds for that purchase security and pattern day trade accounts. Okay. Dang, this is BS. GameStop's almost to our target. Another 20 more percent to go. 30% to go. Alright, it's coming down hard. It's down 20%. We need this to get down to at least negative 40 or 50% for a dip buy. Let me call my brokerage real quick.
Charles Schwab and Company. Please key in your account number next available representative.
Up so far this week with the volatility from amplified activism among a cohort of retail.
Alright guys, so I'm on hold for maybe an hour before someone can get to the phone with me. Oh, that's quicker than I thought.
Charles Fox, how can I help you?
Alright guys, so I think that's it for today. I got some issues with my account again, so I'm gonna have to call Schwab and see what's going on. But as of today, I made $700 on DraftKings and NIO. I think that's it for today, guys. If you guys are still trading, trade safe out there. Good luck and keep on that compounding. I'll see you guys tomorrow.